Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to look at an important announcement, or maybe the information for you guys to get aware of what is going on with the income tax return new filing portal. Okay, so before that, just let us look into this notification which has been issued on 20th of May this year, and the circular number 9 of 2021. This is for the extension of due dates under the Income Tax Act for several categories. So it talks about the extension of time for the statement of financial transactions, statement of reportable accounts. There are several things. The TDS deduction, the TCS book adjustment statement. So all these we can see that the extended dates been quoted. In this video, my intention is to specifically talk about the point number 9, which talks about the due date of furnishing of return of income tax, return of income for the assessment year 2021-22, which is on 31st July 2021 under subsection 1 of the section 139 of the Act is extended to 30th September. So the normal due date of filing the income tax return, which is by 31st July, is now already been extended to 30th September 2020. This is what this the paragraph is talk about, and this liberty is given to us all the Indian taxpayers, or because of the extending the corona pandemic situation. So this is good news for us to have the extended timeline for filing the income tax return. So this is the main point which I want to talk in this video, and based on this I'm going to talk about the another impact, which is actually a difficulty in filing the income tax return. So earlier last year we had different income tax return filing portals. So you people might have already been aware of it because regularly filing the return. But this year there was completely a new design has been developed, and this is the newly developed the functionality website. So wherein we need to go and log in here like this. So it will take you to the profile page, and this is where we have to file the income tax return. So here you can see the updates and all. So this is completely a new view. You can file all the provisions and raise a grievance, and you can assign a chartered accountant and like this. So now we are in this video we're going to look at what is the problem we face. So when I go to the income tax return, so it talks about what is the account here, and I'm clicking continue here. So I want to file the return online. So I already prepared one draft version. So here this is what the problem I want to discuss about in this meeting, so in this video. Okay, right. So if you look at here, there is the interest, the total interest and fees payable is 1000. This is all because of the fee under section 234F. That means the fees on delay in filing of return is charged 1000 rupees. So normally, as I said just few minutes before, the normal due date is 31st July, and now we are in I'm in 1st of August. So just for one day extended, delayed from this 31st July. This is the system is showing the 1000 rupees as a charge, but the real fact is that we have the timeline till 30th September for filing the income tax return. So this is what the extended timeline. So this date, the extended revised date, is not been updated in the backend system of the income tax return filing portal. So that is the reason fundamentally be causing this problem of imposing 1000 rupees as the fees on delay in filing the return. So this should be corrected by the income tax authorities, or maybe the persons who is developing this application from the back end. With this complexity, I would say that this site is not been fully developed right now, so it is not up to the mark of ready for the written filing for the public and the taxpayers to go and file the return, because there are a lot other glitches as well I have seen in the past. Because wherever I file the return in the offline, that is not coming to the online. When I re-verify my return, that is not reflecting in the online system, and I am not able to get the acknowledgement. I am not able to download the written forms. There are so many issues I've been facing. So I think the government is taking a lot of several steps to rectify all these problems, and now trying to rectify the issues one by one. I think this is in the queue again, because since being today the August 1, so this might be a new information for the government officials and also the people technically working on building up this site and the programming the software. So this information for them as well to look on this issue, because when the government has extended the timeline to file the return until 30th September, so this 1000 rupees charge on August or even in the September till 30th September is not a valid one. So government has to take steps to correct the system, to reverse this 1000 or just to clear this bug from the system. Then only we can go ahead and file the return. So at this stage, let us not file the return, because of this 1000 rupees is an extra burden for all the tax people, because we cannot, if we start going and filing the return right now with this 1000, so that will be either if you are in the recoverable position, your money whatever is going to be recovered, the refunded will get deducted by this 1000, so that is not the correct one. And whomever is paying the tax, so this 1000 also will be get added if you are filing the return before correcting this bug. So let us wait for the government and also the income tax authorities to rectify this bug in the this online return filing portal, because I tried this same in the offline tool as well, so there is no much difference between the offline and the online, so it's all mostly same, right? So there is no the problem with this offline tool or online tool, but fundamentally they have to change the database or change the date of filing the return to the 30th September instead of 31st July as per the circular number 9 of 2021. Okay, so that is something to be done from the officials, from the income tax authorities, not from the public. So let us all wait for this. So don't get panicked that you have been charged 1000 rupees extra from your income tax. So it will get rectified, I hope, soon. Okay, so let us wait for the rectification to take place, then we can go ahead and file this return. Okay, this is all I wanted to cover in this video. Thanks for listening to me and watching this video patiently. I think this would have been most useful for you people, just to have the clarity of what is it. Okay, so I just want to close this video with that satisfaction that I alerted you on this 1000 rupees. Thank you. So for getting more videos, please do subscribe my channel and also like and share it to your friends who may be in need of this useful information. Okay, bye bye.